Hi, it's Max from Simply Sander Bros, and today I'm talking about why Git is necessary in today's programming world. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. So let's hop right into it. Git is a free file version control software initiated by Linus Torvalds and allows you to track changes to files. Open a file directory on your system with Visual Studio Code. Run the command git init in this directory. Now you have successfully created your first Git repository. The repository is hidden in a .git folder and automatically collects every change that is made in all files. Now they create a commit after each change of the files. A commit is simply a state in which the status of all files is stored. Each commit has a unique ID and is associated with the above commit. This has the advantage that you have saved all the existing code bases, and if possible you can jump back to a commit in the past. To create a commit, the command git commit m name is required. But what if you have several people and departments all working on the same project at the same time? This is where the branches come in. A branch is created with the command git branch name. To get into this branch, the command git checkout name is required. Now you can work in this alternate branch without changing the codebase of the master branch. This provides a security so that nothing is broken while different people are working on the same project. But at some point you want to merge your feature, which you created in an extra branch with the master branch. This can be done with the command git merge name. Now the features from the extra branch and the master branch are combined. This can now be extended by creating a lot of branches and merging them all into the master branch at the end. Thanks to these principles, you can achieve a very good and efficient work, a high level of security of the codebase, a high degree of flexibility and unbeatable version control with Git. That's what Git is about and why it's necessary. If you want to get a job in the programming world, you should definitely get to know Git and check out our video with the best programming languages to find a job and make money. I hope you liked the video and please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.